Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mahdi Nia Ma'ruf from Robotics Pagi B. In this midterm project, I will build an image classification system using EMIS letter dataset. I use Hawk for feature extraction and support vector machine for classification. I also use Grid Search CV to find the best parameter, and I test the model using LogCV and standard performance metric. This is the library, and then I load the data EMIS letter dataset like I said before, and after that the data is contained the 28x28 grayscale image of the letter with the label from 1 to 26 represent A to Z. This is the A28 multiply 28, and I use only 2600 sample for each letter as instructed. I reshape the data, shuffle it, and display 10 multiple image to confirm it works. And then I display 10 like I said before. This is the display of the letter, like this is I, C, R, G, E, U, L, H, K, and E. And then like I said before, I take 100 data per letter. This is the thing. And after that I use feature extraction HOG, histogram of oriented gradient. I change the default parameter to the orientation 12 pixel per cell, 4, and then the cell per block is 3. The black norm to L2 HYS. Why I change the parameter? The orientations I change to get more detailed age per information, and then the pixel per cell 4 to increase the spatial resolution, and then the cell per block 3 for the more robust block normalization. Then I scale the feature using standard scaler to normalize the data. This is the standard scaler that I use for the normalize the data. After that I implement the support vector machine classifier that I say before SVM, and I change the parameter using Grid Search CV to find the best model. In here I split the data. The train data is 80% and the test data is 20%. This is the parameter I change. The C is 110 and the gamma is scale 1 as 0.01, and then the kernel is RBF. This is the best parameter that I found. C 10, gamma scale, kernel is RBF. And then after that I evaluate the data using that SVM. And then we get the accuracy is 82%, precision is 82%, recall is 82%, and F1 score is 82%. This is the confusion matrix. In the left is the actual, and then in the bottom is the prediction. After that, for the LogCV I use 650 sample, that 25 per letter. Each sample is test 1, and I train with the rest data. This method is slow but give a detailed evaluation. And then we get the accuracy is 70%, precision is 70%, recall is 70%, and the F1 score is 69%. And then this is the confusion metric that we use with LogCV. Like before, in the left is the actual data, and then in the bottom is the prediction. That's all from my presentation. The conclusion is I built an image classification system using EmsLetter with HOG and SVM pipeline. The best accuracy was around 82% using the test data, and then the 70% using Logcv. The pipeline worked well, and SVM was able to classify a written letter with a good performance. That's all from my presentation. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.